natural health for beginners.
How to make goat milk lotion for skin whitening. Here's a goat milk lotion for skin whitening recipe with exact quantities. This lotion combines the moisturizing and soothing benefits of goat milk with natural ingredients known to support brighter, more even-toned skin. Goat milk skin whitening lotion. Exact recipe ingredients. Goat milk, fresh or powdered, half a cup, 120 milliliters. Shea butter, 2 tablespoons, 30 g. Almond oil, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, rich in vitamin E and supports skin lightening. Licorice root extract, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, natural brightening agent. Vitamin C powder, L-ascorbic acid, 1/2 teaspoon, 1.5 g, boosts glow and reduces pigmentation. Beeswax pellets, 1 tablespoon, 15 g, for thickening and texture. Aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, soothes and hydrates skin. Essential oil, e.g., lemon or lavender, 5 drops, optional, for scent and added benefits. Preservative, e.g., Optifin or Geogard ECT, as per manufacturer's instructions, optional but recommended for longer shelf life. Instructions. Melt the oils and wax. In a double boiler, melt 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon beeswax, 2 tablespoons almond oil. Stir gently until fully melted. Warm goat milk separately. In another container, gently warm half a cup goat milk, do not boil. Remove the oil mixture from heat. Slowly whisk in the warm goat milk. Use a hand blender for a smooth emulsion. Add brightening ingredients. Once slightly cooled, below 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, add 1 tablespoon licorice root extract, half a teaspoon vitamin C powder, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 5 drops essential oil. Add preservative, if using. Blend well. Continue blending until the lotion thickens and reaches a creamy consistency. Store. Pour into a sterilized jar or pump bottle. Store in the refrigerator if no preservative is used. With a preservative, it can last for up to 2 to 3 months at room temperature. Tips. Always do a patch test before using any new skincare product. Apply lotion on clean skin twice daily for best results. Vitamin C can oxidize. Avoid light exposure and use within a few weeks. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.